Now we'll see next state, third state, that is Meghalaya. Hello friends, I am the abode of clouds, Meghalaya. My capital city Shillong is called Scotland of the East. Because of its highlands, fog and the scenery, my people speak English. Kasi, Panar and Garo. I am overwhelmingly beautiful and everything here is impossibly green and alive. The rolling mist in the valleys, the undulating hills. Here undulating means what? Moving up and down like waves. Okay. Now this Meghalaya is very beautiful place and very green and alive. Okay. And here the rolling mist in the valleys, undulating hills, numerous lakes, waterfalls, caves, forest and exotic flora and fauna are fascinating. It is also famous for the rolling mist in the valleys. Fascinating means what? Attractive. Here, zoom or shifting cultivation is practiced even today. I have lovely mountains with the stretches of valley and the highland plateau. The rock formation here contain rich deposits of the valuable minerals like coal, limestone, uranium and the sillimanite. I have many rivers. We can see many rivers in Meghalaya. There are we can say that lovely mountains, also valleys, highland plateaus are also there. Please come to see the Cherrapunji, then Mizoram, the wettest palace on earth. You can enjoy the forest and the scared grove here. Scared groves means group of trees. I boast of several national parks and the wild sanctuaries. Friends, you will be amazed to see the Krim Liat Pra, which is the longest cave, and the Sarang Paminga, which is the deepest cave. You can enjoy the panoramic view of Bangladesh from here. Do come this the Pine Fresh mountain states during the Wangala festival in autumn. Means here there are several national parks we can see. Then the Krim Liat Pa and the Sarang Pamiang. These are the which is the deepest cave and one is the longest cave we can see here. Okay. Panoramic view means what? View of a wild area land. We can see this view. Panoramic view of Bangladesh also we can enjoy from Meghalaya. Their famous festival is given here Wangala festival and which is celebrated in autumn. Okay. Now next fourth state is the Manipur. Hey, I am the fourth sister Manipur, the jeweled land. I am proud to be the jewel of my motherland. I am also known by my nickname that the Kanjil Park or the Sanalbak. Okay, here the this is the fourth sister. Manipur is a proud of a jewel. It is also known as the jewel of Mother India, and its nickname is the Kangle Park or the Sanale Bag. Okay, these two are the nickname of the Manipur. Okay, and the capital of Manipur is the Imphal, where we can see the cyclist velodrome. Okay, velodrome means what? The a track or building used for cycle racing. Any track or the building used for cycle racing. We can see here. Many of the people belong to the Meitei ethnic group and speak the Meitei Manipuri languages. I have the credit of the introducing the polo to the Europeans. Okay, so this state introduced polo to the Europeans. Here people's special diet consists of rice, fish, large variety of leafy vegetables, both aquatic and terrestrial. But are the cuisine is so different from rest of India due to the use of various aromatic herbs and the roots that are peculiar to my state. Okay, that means they are using the aromatic herbs and the roots in their diet. Means they are also aromatic herbs and the roots are very peculiar in Manipur. Then blessed with the amazing variety of flora and fauna, I am home to the host of the rare endemic plants and animal life here. A treat for the eyes is the Kaibul Limja. That means here we can say that the treat for the eyes is the Kaibul Limja National Park and the abode of the rare and the endangered species of brow antler deer. This ecosystem contains 17 rare species of the mammals. It is the only floating national park of the world. This is the only one floating national park of the world. You should come to see the Loktak Lake and the floating islands. Here flora and fauna means flora means the plant life and the fauna means animal life. Okay, animal life. Here one word has also come, the endemic, that means found in a particular place. Okay, an important thing is that the only floating national park of the world is here. Okay, now our Manipuri dance is one of the most acclaimed classical dance of India. The folk dances of tribal people captivate the beholders with their exotic customs and the simple but the graceful rhythm. You should not fail to witness the Manipuri martial arts, that is Tangta and the Sarit Sarkha. Okay, martial means what? Martial art it is given. That means here Manipuri dance is very famous. Okay, captivate means what? Attention, or we can say the hold somebody's attention because it is very attractive. Okay, and Sarit Sarak and the Thang Ta, these are the martial arts. Okay, now we see the next fifth one, sister, is the Mizoram. Hello, I am Mizoram. Mizoram implies the land of hills. People refers to the cookies. I invite you to see my land of lush hills, sheer cliffs, then the Srinis lakes and the waterfalls. Rolling hills stretch across the hundreds of miles, and the plains and the valleys are covered with a lush forest and the thick bamboo groves, green paddy fields, vineyards teeming with the diverse wildlife. My regret is that not many of you come to visit me. Well, traveling in Mizoram is a little difficult, but it has its own rewards. The natural beauty here is exquisite and must be seen to be believed. Means here it is also known as the land of the hill people. Mizoram is rich in the lush hills and the lakes, waterfalls. Okay, it is naturally beautiful place. Okay, exquisite means what? Very beautiful place it is. Okay, my capital here capital is given Aizawl. Aizawl is the capital of Mizoram, and from its scenic location you can get the captivating view of the lush emerald Talong River Valley in the west. Okay, and the River Valley in the east. The museum in the heart of the city, the Jharkhwat, the portrait the culture, and the Mizoram in the splendid collection of the customs, artifacts, and the historical releases. Okay, this is about the Mizoram. Now we'll see the next paragraph of Mizoram, that is the Palak Lake is the biggest in Mizoram and covers 30 acres of area. This lake covers. Do you know that it is the belief that the lake was created as the result of the earthquake or the flood? The Champai with the fertile the vineyards is known as the fruit bowl of Mizoram. I am also host of the numerous species of birds, wildlife, and the flora. You can visit the 2 national parks and the 6 wild sanctuaries here. Here we can see that in the Mizoram 2 national parks and the 6 wildlife sanctuaries are there. Okay, Mizo is the official language of Mizoram people. Okay, and this language is most used, widely used this language.